You see, I have always known you had no home training. Look at you. I have seen your true color. You're a witch. The daughter of the devil, that's what you are.
A witch that you fell in love with years ago. Were you not madly in love with me? Now quelling me more before that bigger witch came into the picture?
Me?
Yes.
Jason?
Yes.
Jason fell in love with you? Me? Are you crazy? Have you gone stark raving mad? Can't you see the difference between us? You must be out of your mind.
Jason, you can call me all the evil names in this world. I don't care. The only thing I know is that I am not leaving this car without you. You have to come and drive me to where you are going to.
That's fine. You see this car? Stay in it. It's a beautiful car. Remain there. Don't come out. I'm sure your poor father could not afford it. Bitch.
So you have the guts to insult my father. People, come and drive me. If you know wherever you're going to, come and drive me in this car to that place. I am going with you.
Can you imagine how you're acting? Like a typical village girl.
That you loved. And we still love.
Me.
Whether you like it or not, you will love me.
Love you.
Yes.
You are mad.
If you like, talk whatever you want to. Talk.
Stay away from me.
Come and take me to where you are going to.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.